Hi Will.
Hello.
How are you?
Very well, Sanjay. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Good.
So Will, you have been here after a long time. So what brought you here? Why are you here?
Well, it's been too long since I've been here, and it's wonderful to be back. Clearly, with the pandemic, not being able to come, but actually, it's been really nice to see such a change since I was last here. Not least, clearly, a wonderful new facility here that you guys did a fantastic job of setting up. So, a real excitement and confidence in the future, in the Indian economy, the government strategy and manufacturing that we've been hearing about today. Really exciting times for India and for Renishaw India.
Thank you, Will, and thank you for acknowledging the effort of the Indian team to put up a show like this. So, Will, I think how in last 4 years, what had changed in Renishaw? How far Renishaw has come in the last 4 years as a global company?
So lots of change, lots of development. I think that goes right across the board from wonderful new products that have come through that are really helping our customers on the challenges that they have and helping them deliver the solutions they need. Also in terms of our ability and our manufacturing, keep going through difficult supply chains and difficult challenges. And also if you look at the expansion we made globally in terms of making sure we're there to support our customers going forwards.
Thank you, Will. And as we all know, India is not just a sales subsidiary. What else India brings to Renishaw?
Actually, this is going to be a second part of my trip to India. Is going to go and see our manufacturing facility and our software development facility. The manufacturing group here, a key role in supplying products and also components that are used right across the board in so many Renishaw products. And also our software development team over here. So a large software team here working on all of our different software products. I'm really looking forward to catching up with them actually tomorrow.
Exactly, that's really key advantage that India brings.
Yeah.
I think helping to develop new products.
The depth of talent here is fantastic. So we have wonderful people and
Exactly.
It's just such an important resource for us.
Exactly. Renishaw is going to celebrate 50 years
Yes.
in not so long ago from now.
Next spring,
Yeah, so can you talk about the journey of these 50 years? How was the journey?
Oh, it's been huge, and look, I've been here for 25 years and experienced firsthand 25 years, and I know for sure from when I joined Renishaw 25 years ago to now, such difference just in terms of the scale of the operation. So many different new product lines, new opportunities, new markets, massive transformation.
So that brings me to the question of the future.
Yes.
So going forward, looking at say next 10 years time, there's so much change in the technology and the speed of the change is very, very fast. So how do you see Renishaw growing in next 10 years?
Well, I think here the interesting bit is the challenges that everyone is facing. We talked about this a bit earlier in terms of scarcer resources, higher energy costs, high labour costs, and also tackling the climate emergency that there is. And all these drive challenges for manufacturers, and all these are where our technologies can help, whether that's making more precise components to make things more efficient, whether that's additive manufacturing of making parts with less material in. There's so many exciting opportunities with the technologies we're developing. The really exciting stuff is the stuff of the future that the teams, like the ones in India, are working on now for the next few years.
Last question from me. As we know, high-end technologies requires lots of skills and lots of knowledge to be able to implement. I know that Renishaw has been working on the practicality side and the ease of use. What confidence do you want to give to the manufacturers in India that they will find it easy to implement these technologies in India?
Well, I think you can see some of this is with the software, for example, that released such a set and expected, making it far easier to program your probing macros on a machine tool. And other stuff is programs for the future, a lot of which is being developed with our Indian software team. It's actually the software is often key in making our products easier to use. So many innovations are coming through, exciting times of making it easier for our customers to deploy our solutions.
Thank you very much, Chief Executive William Lee. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.